Hey, how's it going guys? Phil here, and this is a review for the Tabiger soldering iron kit. You'll receive the soldering iron and other accessories in this small toolbox. There are two side compartments in the lid, but the door on the left-hand side of mine was broken when I received it. There's also a small compartment near the front and a hole for you to lock the toolbox up. Inside, in the upper tray, you will find a pair of wire snips, a small screwdriver, a roll of electrical tape, a spool of 0.1mm diameter copper wire, and a small box of rosin. Under that section are a set of 5 tooltips, a roll of desoldering wick, instruction manual, the soldering iron with pre-installed medium tip, an X-Acto knife, a desoldering suction pen, a metal stand, a roll of solder, and 2 tweezers. The soldering iron is about the size of a pen and it measures 7.5 inches long. It has a rubberized grip where you hold the iron, and it uses 110 volts and 60 watts. At the end of the iron is a dial for adjusting the temperature of the tooltip from 200 to 450 degrees Celsius. The power cable on the iron is about 4.5 feet long. To use the solder, dispense it from the tube by feeding the tip through the opening in the end and pulling more out as you need it. To change the tip on the soldering iron, unscrew the metal nut, then remove the old tip and install the new tip before tightening the nut again. I'm going to solder these two wires together. I just need to join the two wires and heat them with the soldering iron. Then feed the solder directly onto the wires. If you let the wires melt the solder, it should just flow into place. Overall, the soldering iron is easy to use and adjust the temperature. The other accessories are pretty useful for a variety of projects, and the tips on the iron are easy to change. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join me next time.